day one, maybe day two here in Munich with Desiree. It's morning. It's pretty early. We've had some coffee and look at this. We're just wandering around. I don't even know what it is. Let's take a look. So what is it? What is it, Des? It's so big I can't even get it in frame. There it is. Obviously a church. But all the information is in German, so I'll put some subtitles on the screen, tell you what this is all about. Looks like they're doing a little bit of renovation. So this is our little spot while we are in Munich. Our Airbnb is inside this building here. We are on Maxvorstadt. That means Rotman Street. And look at this, we're right across the street from the movie theater, from the Kino. How interesting. Very strange. Come all the way from Hollywood, end up in Munich, across the street from a movie theater. Okay, we're heading out of our building here. We are staying in the Haus von Beck, and you can't really tell now, but apparently this building was bombed during World War II, and it's been rebuilt. The top 3 floors or so, and that's where we're staying, up on the top. Now we are in what's called Maxvorstadt. Maxvorstadt is the neighborhood where King Max of Bavaria built his castle. This is kind of an arts district, and it was also the home, years later, of the Nazi Party. Now, I don't want to talk about this too much, you know, it's kind of embarrassing around here. People don't like to talk about it a whole lot, but we are going to go see some of these spots. But today, Desiree, let's start. Okay, so we've just enjoyed a lovely meal at the Drunken Cow here in Munich. Please ignore my hair. And this wait, Desiree, show us what they gave us for dessert. Put them on your eyes. No, you did. Well, good morning again from Munich. It's Sunday morning. Very quiet day. Well, Munich's a quiet city anyways, but this is a particularly quiet morning. Sunday is an actual day of rest here in Germany. Desiree and I decided to take a little walk this morning, get out and get some air, and I just wanted to show you some interesting things here at this park in Germany. Public park, and I want you to get a view here and notice what's missing. Being from Los Angeles, coming into any public park, you'd expect tents, homeless, everywhere. Now, I don't know what the system is here in Germany. I don't know where the homeless are. I'm sure there are some, but they are certainly not overrunning this city. I see a lot of other interesting things here in this park. Little community gathering place. Look at this. It's a community library here. Leave a book, take a book. Of course, we have these in LA as well. This is a particularly nice one, though. And look at this. I came over here and I couldn't figure out what this thing was. If we look up, you'll see you see that thing? You see that thing? It's moving back and forth. It goes along this line here on the ground. And I think it's just here to water. Just here to water the, where is it? There it is. It's just here to water. It just runs back and forth and back and forth. See, there's a pole there. There's a line, there's a water line. It just goes back and forth and keeps this ground watered, I guess. I don't know. Interesting. If you know anything about this here in Germany, please leave something in the comments and explain it to me. And as usual, if you like these little videos, Visiting with Mr. V, please like, subscribe, and click that bell for updates. More coming from Munich.
No, you're not gonna record anything until I fucking smoke a cigarette.
Yeah, I think Desiree's gonna take me clothes shopping today.
No, just shoes.
Oh, just shoes. Wait, no. What? Boots? Birkenstocks. Visiting Boots and Birkenstocks with Desiree and Mr. V. Desiree says that this sign means that these are my stairs. Ooh, X-Men photo op. I wonder if it's Wolverine or Cyclops.
Alright, do it. So bitter.
Right? Oh yeah.
It's like the alcoholic shot of coffee.
X-Men everywhere. Desiree, the X-Men are here. We're here at Bundy's in Munich, and Desiree is eating a hamburger.
And
What are you doing?
cutting it with a knife and a fork.
Are you eating that European style?
It's really difficult. A fucking knife.